Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Today I'm taking you on a drive in the fog. I haven't done a drive in the fog for quite a long time, so the thing I'm looking out for is oncoming vehicles without any lights on, because I'm sure there's going to be a few, because that's always the case. We are driving from Densole down to Newington, so quite a relatively short drive. And one with hopefully out any hazards, because it's Christmas morning and I'm going to have breakfast with the daughter and granddaughters. You have to do these things. Not that it's a chore, I love it. Anyway, back to the driving. As you can see, it is thick as pea soup, that's what they say. But actually the road should be quite empty, so fabulous. So we entered this route on a 40 mile an hour zone. I still use the towel to stop the reflection of the dashboard on the windscreen, but if I don't place it just right, you get little bits of, just doesn't do it properly. And there goes the towel. Oh well, you're stuck with some windscreen glare. What a misty, foggy morning. I think the fog is supposed to be here all day. And I've got a little bit of journeying to do today, so I think I might even just record a few more videos, especially if it's foggy. It'd be good to get some foggy drives done. So that car in front has done 2 roundabouts and not indicated once into a national speed limit. Now the one down at the bottom of this hill, generally the route you're taking if you're coming down this way is to go right onto Canterbury Road to head towards Folkestone, or at least jump on the motorway. So you're going to want to indicate going around the roundabout. Obviously, if they're going straight on, then they don't need to. Hey, my video is all about people not indicating. No, didn't indicate. That car didn't indicate. Oh, they're allergic to their indicators. Maybe Ford should do a recall on those models, because the indicators don't work. Oh, indicator to junction. Go for it. Another national speed limit. Roundabout ahead, taking the first exit, will indicate. Ford won't, because he doesn't treat a roundabout as a junction. that didn't indicate. Maybe that's the thing, people understand the indicating for junctions, slip roads like this, but on roundabouts they have no clue. I'm late for a very important date. Let's get the 70 up. Tunnel, woo! And onto the motorway. Come off at this junction. I'm now going to go around the roundabout, so I'll get in the right-hand lane. That Ford is behind me, in my lane, and not indicating. Because it's a roundabout, why shouldn't they indicate, right? I get so worked up, and I ought not to, about the sloppiness of other people's driving. You'll probably notice that I haven't mentioned indicating in lots and lots of previous videos. And because the roads are so empty, I've kind of suddenly latched onto it again. Let it go, Smith, let it go. In a 40 zone. Nearly there. Watching out for the blind spots. I shall park here. There we go. That was Densole to Newington in the fog, with some lack of indicating. Right, I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching and bearing with. Bye for now. Drive with care.